The third staging of the Ardenne High School Optima 5K Run Walk will take place on February 1. The aim of the event is twofold, one with the proceeds going towards building their health and wellness center and also donating to the rebuilding of Westwood High School in their recovery from Hurricane Melissa. The target is $60 million.
My expectation for this year 5K run walk is that we can indeed meet the $64 million that we need to commence and conclude the construction of our wellness center that is really needed in our education system so that we can help our students to develop and become well-rounded and responsible citizens in Jamaica that can contribute effectively to national productivity and development. So my expectation is also for persons to come out and support us and be good citizens that we know our Jamaican people are.
Olympian Christopher Taylor was a guest at the launch after being invited by Michael Clark, and he supports the move by Ardenne to build a wellness center.
He came to me at first. He came to base off I'm a Calabar old boy, and they were looking forward to help Westwood High with this 5K run. But when I attended this launch today and I heard that they're also thinking of building a wellness center in Ardenne in an high school, you know. I'm really big on wellness and health and mental health, so I'm fully in support of this and I'm really looking forward to it.
Another Olympian, Brandon Simpson, is a past student of Ardenne High, and he says the wellness center is going to be something special for the school.
Initiatives like this are really powerful because I do believe that we don't have a lot of support for students or athletes. I think there's a lot of pressure in the school system, especially for student athletes. And I think it's really important to find a solution for that. And this is going to be an awesome solution for the pressure that athletes face and students face as well.
Right, and mental wellness is something that